Mastering Common English Idioms. Unraveling. Have two left feet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a popular English idiom that you might have heard before but might not fully understand. We're talking about having two left feet. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English culture. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. When someone says they have two left feet, they're not talking about their physical feet. Instead, this idiom is a metaphorical way to describe a person's lack of coordination, especially when it comes to dancing or engaging in activities that require a good sense of rhythm and balance. The phrase paints a vivid picture of clumsiness or awkwardness, as you might imagine how difficult it would be to walk or dance smoothly if you literally had two left feet. The origin of have two left feet is somewhat murky, but it's widely believed to have emerged from the early 20th century. It quickly became a popular way to humorously describe someone's dancing ineptitude. Over time, its usage expanded to describe general clumsiness in various activities, not just dancing. In everyday conversations, this idiom is often used lightheartedly to admit one's own shortcomings in physical activities or to tease friends in a friendly manner. For example, if someone struggles to keep up with the steps in a dance class, they might laugh and say, "I guess I really do have two left feet." Let's see how this idiom is used in sentences to better grasp its application. 1. Despite practicing for weeks, I still can't get the steps right. I must have two left feet. 2. Every time I try to play soccer with my friends, I end up tripping over the ball. I think I have two left feet. 3. She wanted to learn salsa, but after the first lesson, she joked that she has two left feet. These examples show that admitting you have two left feet is often done with a sense of humor and self-awareness about one's limitations. Understanding idioms like have two left feet can make learning English more enjoyable and help you communicate more effectively. This phrase is a perfect example of how language can be playful and imaginative, turning a simple observation into a widely understood expression of clumsiness or lack of skill. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful idiom and added a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you stumble a bit along the way. After all, we all have two left feet in some areas of our lives. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.